Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to show you this absolutely cute little mini Barbie figurine. So I do collect a lot of items. These I saw and I bought quite a few different ones. So this one here is the baseball Barbie mini figurine. I love the detail on this. It literally looks completely painted. She has beautiful corally color, which I absolutely love. Her jersey says Barbie. You can see the detail like on the buttons on the jersey. It's got a number. I love that you can see the details on the hat, and she has a baseball in her hand, even down to the baseball pants and shoes. It is so cute. She even has catcher's mitt. And I love how it says Barbie right on the platform. So this platform is pretty cool. You're able to put it wherever you want to. Obviously I have it on a shelf with a lot of my other tiny little mini figurines. These come in so many different sports ones too, but this one is one of my favorites, basically because I love the colors on it. But that's just my point of view.